Halo semua, welcome to my channel. Oke, jadi di video pertama ini gue pengen main Jurassic World Evolution 3 ya. Nah, untuk pertama ini kita bakal main yang mode campaign dulu. Nanti setelah kita berhasil tamatin mode campaign, kita akan main mode sandbox ya. Oke, langsung aja kita mulai mode campaign-nya. Start new campaign, oke.
Genetic power. The most awesome force that the planet has ever seen. With it, we diverted the very course of natural history. We took something so far away in time and put it on display for the world to see. For better or worse. Sometimes, though, it really was a compelling vision of coexistence. Precious, brief glimpses of peace. Emphasis on brief. But when nature seemed to offer a correction, many people saw only a tragedy. Greed saved the dinosaurs from the volcano, only to put them in a cage. But it was compassion that set them free. Free, of course, to spread into every corner of the planet. We need to find a way to coexist. But can we put our hubris aside and work with nature this time? Can we finally allow life to find a way?
Oke, Badlands, Montana.
If there's one thing that the history of evolution has taught us, it's that life will not be contained. Life breaks free. And that's exactly what it did, time and time again, tearing down barrier after barrier until finally we arrived here, this Jurassic world. There is no path left to travel but forwards. No viable option but coexistence with the dinosaurs. It's a rocky road ahead of us, less rocky, perhaps, under the right management.
Welcome. I am, of course, Cabot Finch, managing director of this new enterprise and the owner of this lovely patch of Badlands. Go on, take a look around. Breathe in the fresh air.
Decidedly less fresh around the herbivore enclosure. Hey, tell me, what are you calling this again? Is it done? Dim?
DIN, the Dinosaur Integration Network. I am Kira Chang. A pleasure to meet you. We intend to help dinosaurs and humans coexist globally, and I am here to find clients who share that goal.
Hey, so I should ignore the roaming velociraptors that I saw on the way in and just focus on the
Oke,
bare
jadi
bones enclosure?
ini kita baru aja disuruh untuk
Wow,
scout the site
you're
ya.
spoiling me.
Jadi kita disuruh
Please,
pakai basic
Doctor,
command-nya
take a
buat
look at the site
kelilingin
map.
map-nya. Oke, open site map.
Not only does this map allow us to oversee the site, but it also shows that the raptors are no longer nearby.
Di sini kita bisa
We
lihat
have plenty of time.
untuk semua
yes,
jenis. Lalu ada
plenty of
dinosaur,
time, sure.
favorit,
Until, of course, we don't.
vehicle, dan calamities.
All right. Let's get this showcase underway. To kick things off, some rescues will be
Dinosaur
arriving
delivery.
here
Prepare for
anytime now.
delivery of the
Let's use a
Lokiceratops.
delivery zone to transport them all in one trip. It saves time and, even better, a
Place a
boatload of
delivery zone
chopper
in the
fuel.
marked area. Oke. Ini ya, delivery zone. Jadi minta buat taruh di
Okay, perfect. When the chopper gets here, direct them to that delivery zone.
Dinosaur delivery. Lokiceratops group. Oke, transport. Kita langsung ke ini aja, deliver all dinosaur.
Excellent. The Lokiceratops are on their way. And the pilot said there's something special about the group, so, consider my interest piqued.
Ah, our other important guest has arrived. Dr. Dua, welcome to Montana.
And thank you for inviting me. Your goal to help dinosaurs thrive has certainly caught the conservation sector's attention. I truly hope you can succeed.
Ha! So do I. So do I.
A wild juvenile dinosaur. Absolutely remarkable. And not a common sight these days. You know, the mind boggles thinking about how its experiences now will shape it. Will its future be peaceful? Chaotic? The deciding factor,
Oke,
I
jadi
suspect,
baru
is you.
datang nih ya Lokiceratops ke
What a beautiful young
dinosaur
dinosaur.
park gitu.
Can we perhaps
Select the
observe
field
it
type in
more
the dinosaur
closely?
panel.
Dinosaur appeal is one of the things that'll draw new guests to a site. And boy, oh boy, do juveniles sell entry tickets.
And well-cared for
Oke, jadi
juveniles
appeal ini
will
dia
grow
gunanya
into
buat
more
ini
appealing adults as well.
ketertarikan pengunjung ya. Ini ada
As
teritori.
dinosaurs explore their new enclosure, they'll form a territory. It's inside this territory that their environment must meet their needs.
Some dinosaurs play well with others, some less so. Keep an eye on who's sharing an enclosure with who.
Di sini dijelasin ya. Dia preferensinya untuk satu kandang ini dengan dino apa aja, dan yang dislike, ada like dan dislike. Terus ini comfort ya.
I must say that enclosure is a
Ada
far
social
cry
needs,
from the environment these
ada
animals evolved for.
environmental needs.
All part of the demonstration, I assure you. We have a suite of environmental tools to help make this
Ensure
enclosure
the
more appropriate,
juvenile have
which is, of course, our
75%
next
comfort.
priority.
Oke. Jadi kita diminta untuk naikin kenyamanan ya untuk anak yang dino ini. Makanya ini kita butuh cover ya, baru 30%. Kita pakai ini aja. Radiusnya kita coba kecilin. Oke. Ini ground fibernya naik ya guys, kalau kalian perhatiin. Kita bikin dia jadi oke. Dan ini kan udah putih nih, berarti udah comfort lah ya. Tinggal coverin. Terus untuk covernya baru 32% ya, kita kasihnya aja. Pohon gede. Oke.
Wonderful work. Actions like this will certainly earn you a good reputation with the conservation sector.
Oke, ini kan udah putih semua nih, berarti udah berhasil harusnya. Kita tinggal nunggu waktunya aja, nah kan ya. Oke. Oke, berhasil.
Not to alarm you all, but is that
A sandstorm, and it came out of nowhere.
typical? It ripped apart some of our fences, too.
Storms like this can harm or panic dinosaurs. This is a delicate situation.
Managing
Right.
disaster.
A spooked giant is a big threat to our guests. The priority needs to be tranquilizing it with the capture team chopper. We
Rusak
can
ya,
repair the enclosure
guys.
later.
Take direct control of the capture team from the response facility. Select the closest. Ini ada shortcutnya R ya. Kita diminta untuk direct control. Oke. Capture team. Oke. Kita naik helikopter ya. Oke. Terbangin aja. Oke. Ini kita bisa pencet aim mode ini. Nah, kita cari dulu. Mana deh? Ini. Oke, udah berhasil satu ya. Satu lagi kita.
Asset missed.
Oke.
Storm is passing, but stay alert.
Oke, udah berhasil. Escape aja.
Signing control.
Hey, nice shooting. Those dinosaurs won't be waking up anytime soon, so you've earned us some breathing space.
Place a
Now,
maintenance
I'm not
facility.
exactly adept with a hammer, so let's bring in the experts. We need a maintenance facility, and like yesterday,
Every facility place will need to be connected to our path network.
Jadi setiap bangunan harus ada ininya ya. Apa terkonek sama jalanan, kita bikin aja langsung. Sini. Oke.
now get out there and repair everything you can.
Take direct control of maintenance team from maintenance facility. Ini ada maintenance facility juga. Yang satu aja. Direct control. Oke. Jadi kita naik ATV ya.
You know, Dr. Dua, Dr. Malcolm, your testimonials would really make a difference. We need the support of the conservation sector if
Repair
anyone
aja.
will take us seriously. And if they
begitu doang ya,
don't,
repair.
Din is going down. And taking what's left of my money and self-respect with it.
John Hammond said something similar when he brought me and the others to Jurassic Park. You know, I could dig out the report that I made for him, but I'd need to update some details, like oohs and ahs and running and screaming, you know, that sort of thing.
I'm not sure that now is the time for that conversation, Mr. Finch. Let's focus on the task at hand for the moment. I'll fix it up.
Oke, udah berhasil.
A thorough and efficient batch of repairs. Impressive work.
Now that the enclosure is fixed up, we're safe to transport the dinosaurs back into it.
Ensure the Diplodocus are safely enclosed. Use the transport tool to move the enclosure. Oke, kita pakai transport.
When
Set
transporting a
dinosaur.
dinosaur,
Click
first
on the
choose the
tranquilize
animal you
dinosaur
want
to
to
select
move
its
and
transport.
then pick where to send it.
Transport. Oh, oke. Kita coba multi select mode ya. Itu gimana? Ini, terus finalize selection. Lalu place delivery zone. Oh, oke. Kita pakai ini aja. Langsung diklik di sini aja.
Asset collection request received.
That storm could have torn the park apart or hurt the dinosaurs. We got lucky, but luck tends to run out eventually.
No need to worry. I suggested we prepare for such a thing weeks ago.
Kita coba setting audionya dulu, kayaknya terlalu kenceng voice-nya. 20 aja.
And we did prepare, didn't we, Mr. Finch?
Well, you know, the to-do list was pretty long. And how was I to know we'd be hit by a... Look, let's not point fingers, especially at me. Bit of a long shot, but Dr. Malcolm, any chance you can ignore the whole breakout thing?
Boy, now you're asking an awful lot of me.
Okay, maybe not ignore, but focus on how well we dealt with it. No? Well, can't blame a guy for trying, huh?
Kita fast forward aja biar cepet.
Let's place down some maintenance posts across the site. They'll let your maintenance ATVs patrol and fix the place up automatically.
Maintenance post. Oke, jadi kalau maintenance post itu dia bisa auto repair ya. Auto repair, reboot, resupply, and inspect building. The inner radius of maintenance post cover building for repair. The outer radius only fence. Oke. Bikin dulu maintenance post.
You
Oke,
want
jadi
your
ada dua
maintenance
radius
posts
ini
to
kalau
cover
kalian lihat.
all buildings and power generators that might need repairing,
Kalau
refueling,
outer
or
dia cuman
resupplying.
covernya doang nih,
Those posts also have a wider range to
pagernya.
them, and any fences that break in that range will automatically get repaired.
Assign a maintenance
Once
team
you've
to
placed
each
your
maintenance
maintenance
post.
posts, you can directly assign a maintenance team to each one.
I've arranged for more dinosaurs to arrive on site. They were struggling in the nearby desert, but we can give them a better life here.
One moment. Corythosaurus. They cohabitate wonderfully with Lokiceratops, so please do place them in the same enclosure. Replicating natural varied ecosystems should always be a high priority.
All right then. You're the boss. Until you say you're supporting us at least. Then I'm back in charge. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Mostly.
Oke, karena ini udah ada delivery zone-nya, kita langsung deliver all dinosaur.
This place is shaping up faster than I expected. The benefit of hiring the right park manager, eh? I mean, just take a step back and look at what you've done already. This site is our very own window into prehistoric Montana. Diplodocus? Check. Lokiceratops? Check. Corythosaurus? Well, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome a Corythosaurus to the park.
Delivery successful. Now, we better make sure those dinosaurs are loving their new home. I mean, I'm sure they are, but I pride myself on being a good host. Or at least a passable one.
They could certainly be more comfortable here. Balancing comfort between multiple species can be a challenge, but one worth overcoming.
Is it just me, or do those dinosaurs not look as happy as the Lokiceratops?
Like many species, they need males in their herd to truly thrive. Male dinosaurs are rather rare, though, so there's little we can do. Perhaps Din isn't a good fit for the conservation sector. Your work is inspiring, but the dinosaurs need something extraordinary if they're to get a foothold in the wild.
You know, the dinosaurs aren't adapting fast enough to reproduce on their own. The course of natural history is trying to reassert itself, and you simply cannot fight nature.
But we could work with it. I know of a research station developing not only male dinosaur synthesis, but sustainable breeding programs too. If it will earn your support, I suggest that we all head there immediately.
Just to check, we're coming back here, right?
Oh, we must. If that research succeeds, we have to return to reintroduce male dinosaurs to these herds.
All right, my bags are packed, so let's go.
Oke, jadi kita diminta buat pindah location ya. Hawaii.
been to a tropical island harboring so-called groundbreaking research before, and I felt this same mix of sheer wonder and utter dread back then too. I'm more optimistic about what I'll find this time, but still, if I may, a word of advice: build more places to hide than you think you need.
Aloha, Hawaii!
This is not a vacation, Mr. Finch. We are here to support pioneering research
Oke, teman-teman semua, untuk
And to that
video
end,
pertama
I'm
ini
pleased to
kita
introduce
sampai
you all
sini
to
dulu ya.
Dr.
Nanti
Luis
kita next
Baldera, a leading
video kita bakal lanjutin di
Dr. Baldera, the room is yours.
map baru ini yang di Hawaii. Oke.
Good to meet
Terima
you
kasih
all.
semua yang sudah
Truth be
nonton
told, I wasn't expecting help
videonya.
so soon.
Jangan lupa
Kira
di
seemed
like
pretty
dan di
insistent
subscribe
that it has
ya.
to be now, though,
Dan
so
boleh
I'm
juga di
definitely gonna
komen
make the most of it.
untuk
Well,
rekomendasi game apa yang mau
I'll die to see
dimainin.
how this works
Oke,
out.
terima kasih semua.
Well, hopefully not literally.